I'd hazard a guess that the blade is making you nervous because you're worried you're going to cut yourself. Ironically, the sharper the blade is, the less likely you are going to cut yourself. It all comes down to technique. Let me show you what to do. I'm literally going to shave my legs in real time so you can see exactly what it looks like and how to do it safely. The first step is always to shave with warm skin, hydrated skin. This means only starting your shaving routine after you've had a shower or a bath. So I'm just going to warm up my leg under the tap here. It's nice and warm. I'm just going to exfoliate a little bit with this exfoliating bar from Jungle Culture. This loosens up all the dead cells and makes it really easy for the blade to glide across my skin. Next thing I'm going to use is this charcoal shaving soap. You always want to make sure you have a nice thick lather because that will ensure that, again, the blade glides really cleanly over your leg. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Got a really nice thick lather on it. Smells amazing as well, genuinely. Take your razor and at a 45-degree angle, applying zero pressure, you're gently gonna glide the blade up your leg. Always take your time at the beginning, and if you have sensitive skin, I recommend shaving in the direction of hair growth. But honestly, take your time, rinse between strokes, moisturize your legs afterwards, and it'll be like second nature in no time.